Hello students, I am your Matthew Samanto. Hope you are all well and safe at your home. Dear students, this is the third video of the chapter ways to multiply and divide from mathematics book. So, dear students, open page number 183. More with multiplication and division. First question. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. Okay, so a tank, then one tank. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? So what we will do, in one tank amount of water 300 liter. So what will be the amount of water in 25 tanks? Obviously we will do the multiplication. So write the statement first. In one tank amount of water 300 liter, in 25 tanks amount of water 300 into 25 liter. So what it will be? 7500 liter. So write the answer statement. Therefore 7500 liter of water will be filled in 25 tanks. So next part. If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water. So one tank of water can fill 15 buckets. How many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? So one tank can fill 15 buckets. So 25 tanks can fill what? In all. So we'll do again multiplication. So write the statement. With one tank of water, number of buckets can be filled. Dear students, write this in a line. Okay, in one line. 15. With 25 tanks of water, number of buckets can be filled is equal to 15 into 25. So this will be 375. So the right answer statement. Therefore 375 buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks. I hope you have understood it properly. Next question. There are 20 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? So in 1 kg there are 20 laddus. So what will be in 12 kg? So obviously we will do the multiplication. So write the statement. In 1 kg there are 20 laddus. In 12 kg there are 28 into 12 laddus. That means it will be 336 laddus. Now write the answer statement. There will be dash laddus in 12 kg. There will be 336 laddus in 12 kg. Now we will solve the second part of this question. What is the second part? If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are there needed to pack all these laddus? That means to pack 336 laddus. So when you put inside the box, so first box 16 laddus, again next box 16 laddus. So what we will do? That means we are divided the laddus in the boxes. So we will do the division. So dear students, first learn what will be the operator when we have to multiply, when we have to divide. Okay, then if you can understand it, you can solve the questions properly. So write the statement. Number of laddus in one box 16. Therefore number of boxes to pack 336 laddus is equal to, we'll do the division. 336 divided 16. So what will be the answer? Do the division. I know this is very easy calculation. You can do it. So it will be 21. So write the answer statement. Therefore 21 boxes are needed to pack all these laddus. I hope that you have understood when you have to do multiplication and when you have to do division. Next question. Read the question carefully. First understand what will be the operator. Okay. there are 26 rooms in a school. How many rooms? 26. Each room has 4 plants. Then one room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need? How much water do we need for all the plants? How much water means how much cup of water? So first we will find out how many plants are there. So write the statement. One room has 4 plants. So 26 rooms have 26 into 4 plants. That means what? 401. 104 plants. Now what is given? Each plant, that means one plant needs what? 2 cups of water. So write one plant needs 2 cups of water. So here 104 plants need. So what it will do? 2 into 104. So it will be 208 cups of water. So I repeat it again. One room has 4 plants. 26 rooms have, what will do? Multiplication. So 26 into 4. So it will be 104 plants. Now what is given? One plant needs 2 cups of water. So 104 here. 104 plants need 2 into 104. So it will be 208. Now write the answer statement. We need 208 cups of water for all the plants. So dear students, I hope you have understood these types of word problems where there is 2 times you have to calculate. These questions are also important for exam purpose. So practice this. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.